Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Beth is in the kitchen, as you can see, and we are cooking. We just got back from town.
Yeah.
Had to pick up just a few different veggies, and we got guests coming over.
Yeah. Yes.
This afternoon. And it's Saturday morning, and I don't know about what time it is. Almost 10 a.m. here in the morning in the Philippines.
Oh, smells good.
So we're going to cook pigs in the blanket, cabbage rolls here. And right now she has got her hands way up to almost her elbows.
I wash my hands with soap.
And pork and peppers and onions and rice, and as you can see, we got cabbage leaves all over the place here. Yep. Oh boy.
So many meat daily.
Yeah. I'm gonna kind of move around here a little bit. Wow, look at that.
So how you gonna add that one? The tomato. What's that?
Yeah. And then what we're going to do here, a little different, to make a sauce, we've got some Bertolli tomato sauce with burgundy wine. Whoa, we are really cooking today. And we're going to add that. I think we're going to wait afterwards and add it, and just heat that up separately, and as the cabbage rolls, as we serve them on the plate.
That?
Yeah, as they serve them on the plate,
Okay.
They can pour them over the cabbage rolls. I think that's the best thing to do here. A lot of people actually, when they boil the cabbage rolls in water, actually put the tomato soup and everything right in the water there, so it kind of works into the cabbage. We're going to do it a little different here, so kind of see what happens. But wow, look at that. Does that ever look good? So a little trip into town, and like I said, we picked up a bunch of cabbage. All kinds of cabbage leaves here.
Yeah, that's from the market.
All from the market there in town.
Sorry.
So she's going to be mixing it up here real quick, and it's going to go on the stove, and we'll kind of go from there. I think she's feeding the cat right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just going to walk over it a little bit. Yeah, Kati here, she's been with us the longest of any of our animals. She started out in our first little house in San Francisco, and she moved to our bigger house in San Francisco, and she moved out here, and we came here, but she gets some sardines in tomato sauce. So she gets pretty soiled, and then a lot of times we add that into the dog food too, so that they get some meat.
Okay, you can eat now.
And protein that. So
bothered me on the table.
Yeah. So we're gonna get ready here.
I want a bowl first. There. What is this?
Yep. So I'm gonna let you people go while she kind of puts everything together here and get in the oven, and when we sit down and eat, we're going to invite you. Yes. We're going to invite you, and you can actually see how all these ingredients finally turn out here. So I'm going to say goodbye for now, and goodbye from Beth there. And we'll be back in a little while.